Alrighty then. Here's one of the Jiffy greenhouses. Got our beets, carrots, leaf lettuce, tomatoes, and zucchini. And then the same over. Beets, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, zucchini. Look at these lettuce plants. The tomatoes. These look pretty good. Lettuce looks like it's jumping pretty good. Carrots, I gotta thin these out. You can't let all these carrots go. And I'm not really sure how I'm gonna plant these carrots. I'm thinking of putting them in a bucket. Like, I don't know, 5 or 6 of them in a 5-gallon bucket. Equally spaced around the bucket, so then you can just pull them out of the bucket. Zucchini, I'm not sure what to put those in. Probably going to put them in a cup for now, and hopefully I can get them to go till, late spring planting season. Because I don't think you can grow zucchini in a cup. Don't they grow on top of the ground like cucumbers or squash or something? And beets, I'm not sure. I think they're underground like carrots, radishes, potatoes. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the beets either. I'm going to have to put them in something bigger or nurse them till the season is okay to put them outside. So anyway, we're going to take a couple of these. I'm going to put the tomatoes in a cup right now. I'm just using a 24 ounce clear plastic Kool-Aid cup, party cup. And I think I'm going to leave them in the peat boxes. I'm just going to cut them out and drop them in the cup, cover it up with dirt. As long as you water it from the top, it seems like the peat boxes are okay. But if you set up a self-watering thing and they water from the bottom, the peat boxes don't break down as fast, so your root development doesn't initiate as soon or as strong. If you're constantly watering it from the top, it breaks the peat box down so the roots can expand. But if you're watering it from the bottom, it doesn't seem like the roots get through the peat box as fast, so you stunt. I have stunted a few plants. I've ended up with a couple plants that are stunted, and I think that's why. Maybe not. Anybody else knows? I'm open for suggestions. So anyway, let's get on these tomatoes and put these in cups. See, and here's a good example right here. Here's your peat boxes. Look at these zucchini. Look at the root development coming out of these zucchini peat boxes. Because they've been sitting in this Jiffy greenhouse. Some of the tomatoes are starting to come through too. There's some lettuce just barely starting to come through. So yeah, and I had pulled a green pepper out of one of those peat boxes. And that I had been watering from the bottom, and the peat box just didn't seem to have broken down as fast. There you go, tomato plant. Punched holes in the bottom of the cup, just some drain holes. Dig out some dirt. And I usually put a little bit of water in first. Put a little bit of dirt over that. Tomato plant. There you go. Ta-da. Grow them while you can, man. I'm telling you.